guys, today we are going to draw and color flag which starts from the letter F. Since I am Indian, I am going to draw an Indian flag. So the things we need are a pencil, an eraser, a black sketch pen, a scale and some colors. So let's start. First we are going to draw a curved line like this, and the same we are going to repeat 3 times more. Like this, and we'll join it from here and here. Here top we are going to make a circle like this, and we'll take the scale and we will make a big line like this. Inside it we are going to draw a circle. Now we are going to draw one more circle inside it, and around the small circle we are going to make 24 lines. I have made 24 lines, and now we are going to outline this. First I'll outline the pole, and then the flag. And now the circle, the small one, and now our flag is ready. Now we are going to color it. At the top I am going to color it orange, but in India's flag it is known as the color saffron. So the first strip is saffron. Now we are going to take dark blue color and we are going to color this circle. Now we will take green and we'll color the last strip. And for the pole, I will do black. And now our flag is ready. We let the white part remain like that, because there are only 3 colors in this: saffron, white and green. Different countries have different flags. They have different meanings of their flags like we have. And in the middle, which we have drawn is a circle, is known as Ashoka Chakra. Thanks for watching.